A guide for entrepreneurs and startups. Transform your food and beverage venture with NPCS. Are you an aspiring entrepreneur or startup owner in the bustling food and beverage industry? Look no further. Niir Project Consultancy Services, NPCS, stands as your premier ally, dedicated to catapulting your business vision into reality. With an unwavering commitment to innovation and excellence, NPCS specializes in providing comprehensive services tailored to the food and beverage sector, including fruits or vegetables, dairy products, meat, poultry or seafood, beverages, and grains, oilseeds or pulses. Why is NPCS a game changer for entrepreneurs and startups? Our expertise lies in not just understanding the food and beverage industry's nuances but also in providing actionable guidance that aligns with your unique business objectives. Whether you are looking to venture into the production of frozen fruits and vegetables, dairy delights like cheese and yogurt, or explore the meat, poultry, and seafood sectors, NPCS equips you with the knowledge and tools necessary for making informed decisions. Embarking on a food and beverage venture requires navigating a landscape filled with challenges and opportunities. NPCS ensures you're well equipped to tackle these with confidence. Our industry reports are more than just documents, they are a roadmap to success, laying out everything from the manufacturing process to market dynamics and financial viability. Join the ranks of successful entrepreneurs who've leveraged NPCS's expertise to turn their dreams into thriving businesses. Whether it's embracing the trend of healthy, frozen produce, delving into the world of craft beverages, or innovating in the grains and pulses sector, your journey to success is our priority. Discover how NPCS can transform your entrepreneurial aspirations into a successful venture. Explore our services today and take the first step towards becoming a leader in the food and beverage industry. Your future awaits.